What's going on, everybody? It's Xavier here today to share with you guys a little bit of love, some good energy, and some really good news. It is my pleasure to be able to serve you guys now on a much higher level. I've been making YouTube videos for about 5 years now, talking about lucid dreaming, astral projection, meditation, positive thinking, the list goes on. And while that general advice was really cool and useful, and it has impacted a lot of people in a positive way, I've realized, mainly because a lot of you guys have been messaging me and asking me, but I realized if we're going to take you and I, not us collectively, but you and I, if we're going to take our journey to the next level, I figured it'd be a good idea to start offering one-on-one coaching sessions. And the reason I feel that I have the ability to be able to coach you guys and help you release what you need to release and to build what you need to build is because personally in my life, I've learned how to release what I needed to release and build upon what I personally need to build upon. I've been on this personal evolution and growth journey since I've been about 17 years old. I'm 24 years old now. A lot of people meet me and think that I'm about 30 years old or 31 years old. I've figured out a lot of this consciousness game very early on in my life. I've acquired a lot of wisdom from a lot of amazing sources. From my father, from hours and hours and hours of research. If I showed you guys how many books I have over here, you'd be like, whoa. I didn't go to school. I didn't get a degree. I didn't feel that was necessary. Because this right here is something that came naturally with my life. My ability to be able to help open hearts and ease minds and help elevate the consciousness of the human beings around me. It's what I'm passionate about, and it's what I love to do. And so I'm now offering one-on-one sessions with you guys of two different types. The first type is going to be of the heart. We're going to spend an hour, and I can't guarantee that everything will be released in this hour, but I can guarantee that in this hour, your heart will open up more so than it did when you started. And we're going to talk about the things that you need to talk about. We're going to talk about the things that you've been ignoring for years. We're going to find the unconscious energies that are eating away at you day by day and keeping your heart blocked. We're going to find those. We're going to dive deeper. We're going to figure it out. And I'm also going to be offering consultation and coaching when it comes to things of consciousness, right? Lucid dreaming, astral projection. I know a lot of you are here on this channel specifically because you want to learn how to astral project and to lucid dream and to be able to mold your consciousness in a way in which you are now lucidly living your life. And we're going to dive into that. We're going to figure out what you've been doing right, and we're going to figure out what you've been doing wrong, given where you want to go, right? And we're going to have a real conversation. I feel that for those of you who have been following me for a while, I think you guys can feel the energy and know that you can trust me to have a real conversation with you. You know, if there's some secrets you need to get off of your chest, some things that are eating away in your mind, eating away at you, some demons, you can release those, and we're going to exercise those things. We're going to get rid of them because we're on this journey together. You guys have helped give me purpose in so many ways, and I want to be able to give back all the light and the love that you guys have given me throughout the years. And so GordonXavier.com is now live, and you guys can go to my website and you can book your session with me. Not only will these sessions be therapeutic for you and aid you in your evolutionary journey, but they will also aid me as well. I'm going to be a little transparent. You know, I'm always pretty transparent, but I'm gonna get real with you guys for a second. You know, I left a really good paying job back in St. Louis to be able to do what I do now full time. And right now, your boy's hurting. I don't want to have to sacrifice this time that I get to spend creating and connecting with you all to go work a job. Instead, I'd much rather just do what I'm doing already and be able to be enriched financially from it. It would greatly aid me out for you guys to be able to have these sessions with me and help me earn some money so that I can begin to do this for a living, so I can upgrade equipment and do this on a higher level, and begin to help everyone else who is calling to the universe for help. That is what I love to do. That's what's in me. That is what drives me. That's what keeps me up at night. That's what wakes me up early in the morning. So not only am I offering these coaching sessions to be able to connect with you guys and for us to grow together in multiple ways, but I've also started up a Patreon account. And on Patreon, for those of you who feel like you have received enough value from the videos that I've made over the years, you can choose to be a monthly subscriber or patron to this channel. And you can donate whatever you want monthly. It can be $1, it can be $5, it can be $10, it can be $20 a month. It's up to you, but anything helps, man. I have real intentions on making a real impact in a lot of lives. The direction I want to go in includes podcast. It includes interviews with not only you all, people who are on this journey as well, but interviews with people around me in Kansas City who are doing positive things and can share insights with you all and lessons they've learned along their journey. In the future, maybe near, maybe far, I would also like to host 3-day work camps where we all come together for a weekend and we do active meditations, we do heart openings, we make lifelong friends, and we heal in multiple ways. And I've made connections out here in Kansas City that can make that possible, but funding is necessary. If there's one statement I can stand by, we're in this together. You guys support me, I support you. And if you don't support me, I'm still gonna support you, because that is just simply who I am and what I do. So this is it, baby. I ain't going nowhere. I have enough videos made already to last for the next couple of months. And the videos are constantly flowing out of me. I feel like I'm in alignment in a way in which I've never been in alignment. And right now I'm asking for your support. So you can go to www.patreon.com/GordonXavier to be able to support this channel. And you can also go to GordonXavier.com to book your session with me. And we can get to diving deep, baby. Because I want to see you winning. I want to see you happy. I want to see you growing. And I want to see you manifesting your dreams. Also, you guys can finally purchase the Evolve shirts that I was going to be sharing with you guys a while back, but life happened and I wasn't able to do it when I originally wanted to. But they are now available for purchase. So you can rock your Evolve shirts. I don't have mine on right now. It needs to be washed. But you can purchase your Evolve shirts now and represent your personal evolution and growth. And I don't have them in ladies' sizes and colors yet because I simply just don't know what colors the ladies want. So in the comments below today, let me know what colors, ladies, you would like these Evolve shirts to come in. Like pink, red, blue, light blue, something like that. I don't really know. So just let me know in the comments below and I'll make sure I get them made for you guys. So check out GordonXavier.com and www.patreon.com/GordonXavier to support this channel. As always, guys, much love to you. I thank you so much for your support and I'm looking forward to our first session. Who's gonna be first? Who's gonna be the first session? That's a good question. Who's gonna be first? Whoever's first, you're going to get a shout out. I appreciate you guys. Much love. Till next time.